Hi, my name is Nectarios Pitos, and I am the Planning and Development Department Director. As the Planning and Development Department, we're taking a look at every aspect of the built environment. So when you walk out of your house every morning and you take a look around you, the streets, the sidewalks, the other buildings that you move through in between, you'll notice that the environment is put together, it's orderly, there's landscaping, lighting, sewers, all of that stuff is being handled by the Planning and Development Department. We review all aspects of every new development and even look at all aspects of redevelopment activity that takes place often in our county. As the Planning and Development Department, our main area of interest are to meet the county's vision to be a premier county in Florida, and also to review projects that build our transportation network and develop beautiful buildings that service the community, whether they're public buildings such as the school that's being built behind me, or commercial structures that house our local businesses. I'm standing here today at Longspur and Rangeland Boulevard in Starkey Ranch to sort of illustrate what we're talking about in terms of making Pasco a premier county. Behind me you can see the development of a school public facility that was part of the development of the overall Starkey Ranch area. This kind of cooperative working with other local governments as well as the development community enables us to build large communities, well-planned, master-planned communities like the one you see around me. In order to make Pasco County a vibrant and beautiful place, we have to follow our comprehensive plan and our land development code, which outline various policies and procedures and processes that help us to understand how our local decision-making operates and works, as well as make sure that we establish good expectations with the community in terms of how a project is going to be reviewed, in terms of how a project is actually going to appear when it's finally built in the community, within our county. And this is very important for us to do because as the Planning and Development Department, one of our main goals is to not only meet the vision of the county, but set the expectations so that we can all together meet that vision for the county.
Hello and welcome to Pasco County. I'm Jeffrey Jenkins. I'm manager of Long Range Planning, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about what Long Range Planning and my staff do. First of all, one of the processes that we are key to processing comp plan amendments to the Pasco County Comprehensive Plan. With the comp plan, we also are looking at a major 5-year project that will be started over the next few months. It will continue in fiscal year 21 for 5 years, and that will be a major overhaul of the comp plan that we have not done for quite some time. So there's definitely a need to examine some of the provisions within the comp plan and also reorganize the entire document. Also, one of the most important things about this update is that we need to prepare a vision for Pasco County. So one of the most important things that we're responsible for is creating that vision and making sure that the vision is carried out through what is contained in the comprehensive plan. Second of all, I have a team which they're called the Tiger Team. They're responsible for the Land Development Code rewrite, which is also a major overhaul of our Land Development Code here in Pasco County. One thing that we're working on right now is the organization of that document, making the look and feel of it, and not necessarily the information contained in it. And we've also worked on some special projects that our Board of County Commissioners has directed us to look into. We've looked at self-storage, multifamily, residential along the corridor of State Road 54 and 56. One of the projects that's been discussed is looking at the South Market Area Plan. We hope to realize that project probably in the next year. We do need to find some funding, and we are looking at the funding capabilities so that we can start that project. And the South Market area is all along the southern portion of Pasco County. Another area that we're looking at doing is the Northeast Rural Overlay area, which obviously is in the northeast of Pasco County. This is a particular area that the residents really care about preserving the rural characteristics in their particular area of the county. Overall, I think that those are the major areas that long-range planning is involved in. Obviously, our main thrust is the comprehensive plan and its implementation and providing that vision for Pasco County.
My name is Denise Hernandez, and I'm Pasco County Zoning Administrator. I have had the distinct honor and privilege of serving the citizens of Pasco County for 20 years. Our zoning team is here to serve you and assist you with questions you may have on fence regulations, on the setbacks for that shed you may have wanted to place in your backyard, or of how many grazing animals you can have on your agriculturally zoned property, among many others. As you drive around Pasco County, you may notice areas where there are residential developments, single-family detached homes or attached homes or a combination of. You may also drive around areas and see larger properties with more rural uses. And in between, you may even drive around areas where you may see retail shops, doctor's offices, and even light or heavy industry. Well, you've witnessed zoning. Zoning is a division of land into distinct zones, which control the development of land and the specific uses to which the land may be put to. At times, because there may be a change in the area, a landowner may petition for a change in zoning or a zoning amendment. Your zoning team reviews the zoning amendment in conformance with the Pasco County Comprehensive Plan, the Land Development Code, and other applicable regulations. Today we're at the Tampa Premium Outlets in Wesley Chapel. This regional outlet mall highlights a project your zoning team assisted with. In 2015, the Board of County Commissioners adopted an ordinance establishing the creation of unified sign plans. Understanding that the sign code is not a one-size-fits-all, the board spearheaded the creation of a unified sign plan to allow developments such as the Tampa Premium Outlets to have enhanced architectural features, unique designs, and that create a sense of placemaking throughout the community. Your zoning team is here to serve you. Give us a call at 727-847-8142 or send us an email to planning@pascocountyfl.net. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brad Tippin. I'm the Development Review Manager for Current Planning. Current Planning Division consists of teams of engineers, planners, technicians, and other professionals with diversified backgrounds that help to solve all of the problems related to land development. We talk about drainage, we talk about traffic, stormwater, buffering, landscaping, and other things that help keep the community looking good and working good. Current Planning is the largest division of the Planning and Development Department. We're within the Development Services branch, and as that sounds, we're all about development. We create everything that you see around here. We create open spaces with parks and trails, bridges, beautiful homes, places to work, enjoy, to live, work, and play within Pasco County. Starting a land development project can be overwhelming even for a seasoned developer. But our current planning teams work diligently with our developers to help them get through the process.
Pasco County loves unique ideas. For example, this area is a relaxation area within a subdivision that provided a bird feeder village for residents to come and relax. From the first ever Crystal Lagoon in the United States to the very first snow park in Florida. Yes, there is a snow park in Florida, in Pasco County. We are always willing to listen to developers' ideas.
So when you decide to start developing your land, remember, Current Planning is here to help you.